In this first alarming Ring doorbell footage, a reckless driver is seen speeding through the night and crashing into a parked car. Without a moment's hesitation, the driver flees the scene, leaving the damaged vehicle behind. In this unsettling Ring doorbell clip, a man is seen knocking persistently on someone's door in the middle of the night, pleading for help. While his demeanor suggests he may be in distress, the late hour raises questions about his true intentions.
Help! Help! Call 911! Come out with your keys right now!
In this eye-opening Ring doorbell footage, a lady is seen casually stealing decorations from the front of someone's house. The scene unfolds in broad daylight, as she walks up to the property, grabs the decorations, and quickly makes her getaway. In this alarming Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen attempting to break into a house in broad daylight. The scene unfolds as he approaches the front door, inspecting the locks and making suspicious movements. Fortunately, the homeowner is alerted by the camera and quickly intervenes, ensuring their safety.
Go!
I have a booking today. I have a booking. I booked Airbnb?
In this eye-catching Ring doorbell footage, two cars are seen colliding in the neighborhood. The moment unfolds dramatically as both vehicles ram into each other, creating a loud crash that echoes through the quiet street. In this compelling Ring doorbell footage, a lady is seen at an apartment complex late at night, checking someone's doorknob. Her unsteady movements and disheveled appearance suggest she may be intoxicated. As she fumbles with the knob, it becomes clear that she's attempting to gain entry, raising concerns for the homeowner's safety. In this striking Ring doorbell footage, a homeless couple is seen late at night approaching a residence with their bags in tow. They test the doorknob, seemingly hoping for an open entry, before quickly departing the scene. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner confronts a lady who attempts to steal a bike parked outside her home. The homeowner quickly steps outside and firmly instructs her to leave the property, effectively deterring the theft.
Hey! Get off my bike.
Hey, where do you get this bike from?
Get off my bike.
I'm just asking where you got this bike from.
Get off of it.
I'm not on it. I ain't on it.
Put it back.
I ain't on it. So my friend lost a purple bike just like this. Where did you get it from?
Mine, I bought it.
His name Mike. He's right around the corner.
I bought it.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a lady is observed attempting to break into a door. Her actions raise immediate concerns about safety and security.
While the reason for her attempt is unclear, it serves as a reminder to prioritize safety by locking doors and remaining vigilant.
In this concerning Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen wandering at night, knocking on various doors while requesting water. His actions take a troubling turn when he attempts to open a door, only to be thwarted by robust security measures.
Hi, I was wondering if you had a drink of water. Hello?
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this tense Ring doorbell clip, a homeowner is just about to step out of his house when he unexpectedly encounters a chaotic situation unfolding between police officers and suspected criminals. Sensing the potential danger, he swiftly retreats back inside, ensuring his safety. In this captivating Ring doorbell clip, a family becomes suspicious when they notice a camera discreetly positioned to face their home. Upon closer investigation, they discover a cleverly disguised camera disguised as a rock, hidden beside a tree near their property. To uncover the truth, they decide to install their own camera, hoping to catch the individual responsible. Their plan pays off when they capture footage of a man on a scooter checking the hidden camera. Alarmed by the invasion of privacy, the family promptly reports the situation to the police. In this intense Ring doorbell moment, a man is caught attempting to break into a house while a mother and her baby are inside. As the intruder tries to gain access, the vigilant husband, alerted by the doorbell camera, quickly intervenes from behind the safety of their door.
Hello?
Hello. Hi. Are you...
No, wrong house. Hello. Yeah, no, it's wrong house. Sorry. Thank you.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this alarming Ring doorbell encounter, a young boy is caught attempting to assault a girl in broad daylight. The scene unfolds when a passing driver notices the distressing situation and quickly reverses back to intervene.
It really is disturbing. I hope it wasn't a real, maybe just a BB or something.
As the driver approaches, the boy, sensing the oncoming help, attempts to hide behind a flower bed in front of a nearby house.
When
If you see a kid with a gun, you know, worry about it. If my grandkids had
in their hand, I'll tell you what, I would take it away from them, tell them, you don't play with guns.
Everybody minds their own business. There's a school, 200 feet away, right over there.
In this chilling Ring doorbell footage, two friends are captured during their last moments together, transitioning from one location to another, including a supermarket, before an unforeseen tragedy strikes. The video reveals the duo's seemingly innocent outing, but the tension escalates when one friend is seen emerging from a house, brandishing a knife. The aftermath of this shocking event unfolds over 3 days, as investigators meticulously piece together the timeline through various CCTV recordings. Ultimately, the diligent work of law enforcement leads to the arrest of the suspect, highlighting the critical role of surveillance technology in solving crimes and delivering justice. In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a suspected burglar is seen initially trying to open someone's door manually, but when that fails, he resorts to more aggressive tactics. The video captures his reckless decision to kick down the door in an attempt to gain entry into the house.
Moments after the suspect enters, the homeowner uses the voice feature on their Ring surveillance camera to confront him wirelessly.
Hey, get out!
This prompts the suspect to quickly leave the residence. The San Diego Sheriff's Department received the call around 4 p.m. in the area of S. Santa Fe Avenue and Mar Vista Drive. Deputies identified the man from the video and headed to an area he was known to frequent. The Estrella helicopter from the Sheriff's Department flew over the area, broadcasting the suspect's description. A witness who heard the announcements alerted the Sheriff's Communications Center upon seeing a man matching the suspect's description. Deputies were directed to an open field where they found the suspect, identified as 33-year-old Sonny Hunter. He was arrested without further incident for residential burglary and booked into the Vista Detention Facility.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.